Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to change your profile picture in Meta AI using a photo from your gallery? You can do it in just a few simple steps. This helps make your profile more personal and keeps your account looking updated. Let me show you how. First, open the Meta AI app on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then tap the settings icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap View Profile. Then select Edit Profile. On your profile picture, tap the Edit icon. You will see several options, including Choose from Library, Import from Instagram, and Remove Current Picture. For this tutorial, tap Choose from Library. Your gallery will open. Select the photo you want to use as your new profile picture. After choosing your image, adjust it if needed, then confirm the changes. Once saved, your new profile picture will be updated on your profile. This helps make your Meta AI profile look more personal and professional. And that's how to change your profile picture in Meta AI using a photo from your gallery on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.